Hello, my wonderful viewers. This is National. Let's check what you call Thursday, year 2008. Started from event 50. We took play a certain figure which is 42, followed by single 8. One county with 63, followed by 25 position, second boss. Then for the 25 repeated to the first boss. Then the single 8 also 10 to 80 to also drop in 4 balls in the machine. And while you finish, the 25 should counter. The 63 also should 10. Then you have 28, 36, 70 over there. So let's check another event and see. Yeah, this is also Thursday now, 2014. Event 349. Auto play sensitive figure which is single 3. Count 2 is they give you single 5 in machine. Followed by 68, followed by 13. Following count 2 is then it give you a certain figure 58. They serve you 27 in machine. Following 1045 machine. Following then the 25. Then the following is single 3. The single 3 over here also come. This single 3 they also come to lap in position. These are position. When you finish, the 58 also to counter, or the 30 in the machine also to move. You can already have 36 over here again. So I pick 1336 over here. So let's confirm the current. Yeah, this is the first plan. 2021. Started from 3052. They'll give you 42, followed by single 8. Counting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 63, followed by 25 position for second boss. Then followed by 25 repeated to first boss. Then you give the single 8, 10 to 80. Lap play in a horizontal 4 boss machine. When you finish, this number also to 10 back, which is 36. Yeah, this also to counter 70. So this is the second one too. This is the second play. Also give you single 3. Count 2, they give you single 5 machine. Following by 68. Then following by 30 machine. Count 2 is they give you 58. They give you 27 in machine. The following 45 10. When you finish, they move the 30. Then it also give you 25 in machine. And winning. 25 in winning. You see, when you finish, you move the single 3, also come. So when you finish the event, 58 also to counter. On the way and bring this number to 30. So this is the event that we are pending. So my so far selection. This is my selection on the event. I choose 70, 36, 13, 28. My true choice is 13, 28. The event numbers on the numbers is this. This one also gives you this number. This is an event number. This is another event number. So if you wanted to come the event, and that's how I'm showing it to you. These are the numbers on the event. 36 over here. So it could be 9 numbers. Please, thank you. Please, we are going to do the related numbers on Monday. We are going to start on Monday. Okay. Thank you very much. Please subscribe the channel.